Hi friends, welcome to Bachelors Canteen. Today in our canteen, we are going to prepare creamy butter garlic fish. Take 500 grams of basa fish and cut it into small pieces. Do the seasoning with salt, 2 teaspoons of white pepper and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. A lot of Amul butter will be used today in today's recipe. Heat 30 grams of butter till it is completely melted, and it's time to fry the fish. Fry the fish on both the sides till it is light golden brown in color. Add some more butter and add 5 to 6 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Fry the garlic till it is light brown, and it's time to add 1 chopped onion. Put some salt to taste and cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and cook the onions till it is golden brown in color. It's time to prepare the creamy sauce. Add some more butter and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Cook the maida for nearly about 3 minutes till all the raw smell of the maida is gone, and add 2 cups of milk. Stir the maida continuously till it is completely mixed in the milk, and then cover and cook it for about 5 minutes. Put some salt for seasoning. Add the fried onions and mix it nicely in the white sauce. It's time to add the spices. Put 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of oregano, mix everything well and cook it for 5 minutes. Once the sauce starts to boil, it's time to add the fried fish. Gently coat the fish in the sauce so that it doesn't break. Garnish with red chili flakes and serve it hot with friends and family. Believe me, it tastes amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming recipes. Thank you very much.